So I just wanted to show you the progress that I made from earlier. I've gotten all of the main clothes out of the closet here. I still have a few pajamas and loungewear sets and scarves that are up on that shelf that need to come out, and a few of my older handbags that need to come off of this shelf as well. I have some boxes in here that I need to go through as well, and some old shopping bags. I think I'm just gonna toss those. And I think those are some empty shoe boxes. Up here on this shelf, I have a few sweatshirts and t-shirts that also are probably going to get tossed. And let me show you what I have pulled out of here. So I've made some progress. The stuff that I have piled on the bed here are things that still have tags on them that I think I'm going to sell. And I'll put those probably on my Poshmark, or I'll send them to ThredUp. Those are just empty hangers that I took things off. That pile over there is my donate pile. This pile right here is all loungewear and PJs. A lot of that stuff needs to get tossed. This pile over here is stuff for sure that's going in the trash. So that's for sure going out. All of this stuff here is sorority paraphernalia. So for those of you that don't know, I am a founder of a Christian sorority, and I have a lot of things. Some things are in disrepair and they need to be disposed of, and other things can still be worn. Some things I think I might even give away. So that definitely needs to be gone through. These are the things here on my sofa in my bedroom that I might potentially keep. And this does not yet include all of my dresses that you saw in the other closet. So I must go through these clothes, see which things don't fit, see which things are good. I might need to have some of these things dry cleaned, or I might put them in the air dresser. You all have seen the air dresser before that I have in my other closet room here, which I'm also going to be working on cleaning out this week. You all have seen this room earlier in the video. I also didn't really talk about what's on this top shelf. So as many of you all know, I work for a humanitarian organization. And so sometimes when I go out into the field, which means into developing countries, these are some of the things that I take with me. So you'll see at the very top my hiking boots down there. You'll see a water bladder. You can carry, it's basically you can carry water, clean water inside of it, and you can suck it through the straw, and you can carry it kind of like a backpack. I have some hiking poles up there for kind of steep terrain. I have my special towel and washcloth and stuff that's all packaged up that I take, my mosquito net, and just a few odds and ends like that go into that kind of trip. I have my field vest right there. So there are just a few things that I take when I go on some of those types of trips. But, again, even with those items, they could be better organized, because they have to get used at a certain time. I also see my water bottle up there that turns, if you're in a real pinch, it will turn dirty water into clean, potable water. So that is also another healthy straw water bottle piece there. Okay, so I'm back with a little bit of an update. We have gotten things cleared all the way out. I think I'm going to try to do just black hangers. So that's why you see those hanging there. Pardon those clothes. Over on the other side of the wall, which I will not show you, is my husband's side of the closet. And it looks like he has some sweatpants that are on his top shelf that are hanging over on my side. So I'm going to just bring those. This is real life, folks. I'm going to bring those just back down. And then you can see I did a little vacuuming. And yes, I do have a couple of boxes here. These boxes are clothes that my sister has come through my closet and she has claimed. And, she wants them. So I have them in boxes. She needs to come get them, or maybe I'll send them to her. whatever the case, I'm going to leave them here for now. But everything, as you can see, has been emptied out of the closet, and I have vacuumed the closet floor. All right, so I am back for another update. I have made so much progress and I am so wildly proud. So what I think that I'm going to do here is I'm going to have, you know, some uniform boxes eventually that contain some of my smaller items. I think that I'm going to line up my leather gloves here on this shelf. That will happen eventually. And then here's my progress so far in the closet. So I'll just start down here. You guys know about the boxes. We already talked about that. But what I have here are shorts, and I don't have many. I have a couple more pairs, maybe 3 more pairs that I can hang there. I have shorts, I have my tank tops, and my t-shirts. And when I'm talking about t-shirts, these are t-shirts that I actually wear, not t-shirts, you know, for lounging or other purposes. I should say not t-shirts for lounging or other purposes, not commemorative t-shirts, not things like that. These are t-shirts that are actually worn. And then here I have my pants. All of my pants are here. And then my skirts. I only have 2 up there right now. I might have 4 skirts. Here in the next section, I have my pullover sweaters. And then here I have all tops and blouses. I did a lot of purging and cutting. And then here is, one cord set. Also coming on down, I have all of my blazers, which I feel like a lot of blazers for the size of this wardrobe. And then I have cardigans after that. And then on down where you see cream hangers, you see the switch to the cream hangers. That's where I have hung all of my robes, all of my pajama sets, and things like that. And so up here on the top shelf, I have placed and folded all of my jeans. Okay, so what this does for me by having this level of organization and purging a lot of stuff and getting things out of here that I really do not wear and do not need or are in disrepair or are stained, now I can go back and I can say, oh, this is a gap in your wardrobe, or you need this item in your wardrobe. So that's what you will see as I purchase with more intention. And that's where we are now. I'm still going to keep the closet in the other room as my dress closet, and I haven't gotten that organized yet, but I will come back and show you how I have organized all of my dresses.